7a plus b, a plus z plus y plus w, x square plus x plus 1. Out of these five examples, can you separate polynomials?
Second one is
Mm.
polynomial.
Second one alone.
Third also.
Third also.
Uh, Fourth one.
Both. But 20 is not a polynomial
No, because it doesn't have variables.
because it has no variables. That's why you didn't include this in the polynomials. Huh?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
You have to understand, ma. Polynomials is just an expression. Okay, it may contain it may contain variable. It may not be. Okay, so 20 is also a polynomial. Okay, I'm
Okay.
giving you like this: y is equal to 10, 20. This is also an expression only. So you can add this 20 also in polynomials. Real part and all I told you no real part that and all. Okay, these are some of examples of polynomials. One are actually polynomials are expressions. These expressions should contain any one term, at least one term it should have. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Terms I said okay. Coefficient also explain no types. Come to the types of polynomial. Beginning itself, you try to tell about the types. No, what are the types of polynomial?
Monomial, binomial, trinomial,
What is monomial?
which has one term,
One term. What about the binomial?
which has two terms.
Trinomial means three terms. Okay.
Yeah.
What is constant polynomial? Constant polynomial. This 20, no? I said this 20 as polynomial, right?
Yeah.
So some real numbers also, we can express some real numbers as polynomials. Without any variables, we can express this real numbers in polynomial category. Okay, these kind of polynomial is called constant polynomials.
Okay.
If constant is zero means, if this constant is zero means, then it is called zero polynomial. Okay,
Okay.
if the exponent of the polynomial is a whole number, I'll give you example. Hmm? Then you can understand it. What about the exponent? In terms of exponent, how we can categorize the polynomial? Out of this two expression, which is polynomial?
First one,
Why it is?
because it doesn't have a negative
What?
exponent. Doesn't
Oh,
have negative
okay.
exponent.
This is not a polynomial. Second expression, this is not a
No,
polynomial. Why?
because it has negative exponent.
Okay, because minus 2 is not a whole number. Okay,
Yeah.
next, degree of polynomial. This is degree means highest power of a polynomial. Highest power of a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. I'll give you some expressions. X cube plus y cube 3xy into x plus y. In this way, which is the degree of polynomial? This is a polynomial. First of all, this expression is a polynomial. What's the degree of polynomial? I said highest power of polynomial. Degree means
3.
highest power. What?
Is it 3?
3.
3.
Okay. Okay. If this polynomial has non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant polynomial means what is the degree? Just you recall just now I explained about constant polynomial, no? That too, this constant polynomial is non-zero now. What's the degree of this kind of polynomials? What is constant polynomial? Just now I explained, what is constant polynomial?
Constant polynomial is like a real number.
Hmm. Any number without variable, right? That is
Yeah.
constant polynomial. Then, okay, this example itself you can take, no? 20. 20 is a constant polynomial means what's the degree of this polynomial?
1.
1, huh?
Uh,
It has part, I said,
it has no degree.
no degree. So, for non-zero, for any constant polynomial, degree is 0, right?
Yeah.
Because it has no raised power, no? So, it has no power. So, degree of polynomial is 0.
Mm.
Apart from this, we have three more types. Linear polynomial. What's the meaning of linear? Linear means if a polynomial has degree 1, then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next year you will study this. You will study this quadratics in separate chapter.
Okay.
Quadratic means degree is 2. Cubic cubic polynomial means degree is
3.
okay.
Okay.
Polynomials in one variable. In the topic itself, you can explain about this polynomials in one variable. That means
Linear polynomial.
it has only one variable. Not it will not come under linear. It may have any degree, but variable is one.
Okay.
2x square plus 5x plus 15. How many variables in this expression? How many variables are there?
2.
Two. Incontent. 2x square plus 5x plus 15. How many variables are there here?
3.
Three. Variables. Just recall what is variable. Which is variable here? In
X
this,
is variable.
x is variable. X alone there, na? Now tell me, how many variables are there in this expression? Only one, no? X alone there.
Uh,
Hmm? One more example I will give you, then you can understand. 2x plus 6y equal to 2. What about this?
2 variables.
Two variables, no? So this will not come under this category. Polynomials in one variable.